I love Notions patterns because of their on-trend styling, their superb drafting, and consistent sizing.
Because they're very wearable.
Excellent instructions, videos, tutorials, blogs.
All of their instructions are so fantastic, very clear, concise, and easy to follow.
All sizes and all ages, which just shows the versatility of the patterns and the designs.
And yet you can still create a really classic wardrobe as well with all the different patterns there to choose from.
I like Love Notions because they include separate full bust pattern pieces.
Love Notions Patterns has given me the opportunity to not only expand my wardrobe, but try new and different techniques.
They're very accessible. It's the kind of clothes I want to wear every day.
And also because they include some very helpful videos in their instructions.
I like Love Notions patterns because of their curvy sizes.
Their patterns are so well drafted that it's really easy to be able to modify to whatever my body needs.
Kindest Facebook ever.
I find that when I use Love Notions patterns, I have fewer adjustments to make because they make their patterns for real women.
I like waking up every Friday to see what surprise will be, what pattern I can grab at a great deal.
They fit my lifestyle, and I love the fit.
I'm so happy with the finished products whenever I sew a new Love Notions pattern.